Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. And today we're celebrating 2025 New Year. And it's all about abundance, prosperity, and happiness. And gagawa tayo ng kakaibang taste test for today guys because it's all about Filipino kakanin. And for your information, Filipino kakanin is one of the popular sticky rice cakes, and usually Filipino loves to eat them. And napapaniwalaan din na ito ay simbolo na prosperity, abundance, at happiness. And it's not just about this Filipino kakanin, guys. We'll be pairing it with some delicious drinks that will make your 2025 happy. Alright, so ito yung titikman natin guys. So meron tayong puto, kutsinta, at puto bongbong, at I think tikoy. So meron din tayong biko, suman, at saka plain rice na giraps siya sa dahon. And of course, ang pinaka-exciting dyan guys ay ita-taste test natin together with the different drinks. Of course, we have coffee. We also have the mango juice. And idadagdag na natin dyan yung pambansang tubig, water. Alright, so let's get started.
Alright, so uumpisahan natin guys dito sa plain rice cake na kung tinatawag nilang punjung. So nabili ko lang to siya doon sa local market. And although na-try ko na to siya minsan, ngunit hindi ko siya na-partner sa coffee or sa juice. And today, we're going to taste it together with the different drinks. Tingnan natin kung saan siya mas babagay. Okay, so, ayan. Okay. So, basically, ano to siya? Plain rice siya sa loob. Okay, ayan. So, ganyan siya. Ganyan yung itsura niya. So, try natin together with coffee. Starchy yung plain rice. Plus, may a little bit of salt na siya kasi may mga other ingredients na siya gimix. Alright? Kaso din bang.
So kapag gi-pair ko si savory plain rice sa coffee, so yung pagiging starchy ng plain rice ay mas lalong naging savory siya. It's because of the bitterness of the coffee kapag nagmi-mix. So, hindi siya ganoon ka-exciting pero very satisfying naman. So, let's see kung sa pair up naman natin kay mango juice. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung lasa niya. Kakaiba. So, yung pagiging starchy ng plain rice plus yung citrusy taste ng juice, mas nagiging bolder yung taste pagdating niya sa mouth. Masarap. So, this time, isa-try naman natin kung sa plain water lang. So, plain rice plus plain water. Alright, so basically, very plain lang, very light, pero nakakabusog. So, okay din siya. Okay, so next naman natin itong suman. Tingnan natin anong klaseng suman to siya. Okay. So, wala akong idea kung matamis ba to siya or salty. Kasi may dalawang type yan siya sa pagkakalam ko. So, it's also sticky rice. And I just don't know whether sweet siya or salty. But, tikman natin. So, sweet siya, guys. So, made of sticky rice. Girap siya sa leaves, banana leaves. Plus, of course, brown sugar ata ang ginamit. Plus yung coconut milk. So, very delicious. Tikman natin yung coffee. Masarap. Kasi, bitter yung coffee. A little bit bitter ang yung coffee. Plus, sweet yung biko. Biko ata to. Persuman, which is ang tawag nila. So, masarap kasi nagbabalance yung sweetness at saka yung bitterness ng coffee. Okay, so tikman natin kapag mango juice naman yung partner niya. Mas lalong naging sweet, guys. But then, kahit sweet siya, pero kakaiba yung lasa niya. Kasi citrusy yung juice, although sweet siya, plus yung sweet na flavor din ng biko. So, mas lalong naging sweet siya. So, kung ikaw ay mahilig sa sweet, I think magugustuhan mo yung combination ng biko plus yung mango juice. Anyway, so meron pa tayong ibang kakanin.
What?
Tikman pa natin. Alright, so ito yung next natin, guys. Actually, sa pagkakaalam ko, biko din siya. Pero hindi ako sure kung matamis din ba or salty. Most of the time kasi pag nasa ganitong leaves siya, salty siya. But the taste is to be true, diba? So, tikman natin kung salty nga, kung tama yung prediction ko. Okay. Gustong-gusto ko mag-open ng ganito kasi parang feeling ko exciting siya. Kasi ang gaganda ng wrapper niya. Ang ganda ng wrapper. Ayan. So, see? Biko din yan siya. Sticky rice sticky rice wrapped in the leaves. So, I'm not sure kung sweet or salty siya. So, try natin. Plain rice lang siya. Walang sugar, walang salt din. Pero masarap kasi medyo starchy lang siya. Walang other added sugar ba or salt. Okay, tikman natin yung coffee. So, bumagay siya, guys, sa coffee. Kasi parang plain rice plus yung bitterness ng coffee, masarap. Pero I just don't know kung panalo din siya sa taste niya. So, let's see naman sa juice. Alright, so I think si mango juice, since sweet siya at citrusy, nag-add siya ng flavor sa plain rice na to, which is, girap siya sa banana leaves. Pero very light lang. So, ayan. So, tingnan naman natin kapag sa water. Okay. So kapag sa ano naman, sa plain water lang, parang wala, very light, wala lang siya. Ngunit ang gusto ko kasi parang nililinis niya talaga yung palette dahil sa sticky yung ano, yung biko. So sticky siya, so parang nalilinis pati yung palette mo. So, maganda na rin. Ito naman ang i-try natin, guys. Dito ako mas na-excite, guys. Kasi, look at it. Very colorful siya, guys. So, parang nag-i-invite talaga na tikman natin. Alright. So, saan nyo gustong tikman una? Sige, ano na lang, yung puto at saka kutsinta ang unahin natin. Sarap. Starchy and sweet. Okay. And then yung kutsinta naman, malaki siya, guys. So, caramel-like. Okay, so tikman natin with coffee naman. Grabe yung compliment nila, guys. From sweet, puto, and caramel-like kutsinta, plus yung bitterness ng coffee. Wow, ang sarap. Very satisfying, guys. Nabusog ako. Nakakabusog. Pero masarap. Tikman natin naman kapag sa juice. Mas lalong naging sweet, guys. Caramel-like, sweet puto, plus citrusy, sweet mango juice. Masarap. Mas lalong naging sweet. Pero mas gusto ko siguro with water. Alright, so with water na lang. Si water kasi since plain lang siya, so parang it doesn't add anything. Pero yung parang kine-cleanse niya lang yung mouth. Parang nagiging balance yung sweetness at saka ng plain water sa mouth. So, mas type ko. Kasi hindi ako into sweet talaga. So, mas prefer ko. It's either coffee or si plain water lang. Alright. And this time, guys, itong mga colorful puto bongbong. I think this is also made of sticky rice na may coconut flavor. And I think, para inad lang yung yung color. Okay, so tikman natin. Kasaba pala siya, guys. Akala ko sticky rice. Kasaba cake siya. Ang sarap ng niya, coconut. Very refreshing. Tikman natin with coffee. Wow, ang sarap. A little bit of coconut, plus yung cassava, plus yung bitterness ng coffee, nagka-complement siya sa mouth ko. Masarap, guys. Nakakabusog din. Let's see, juice. So, parang nag-add siya ng sugar sa cassava puto bongbong. mas lalo siyang naging sweet. Ayun. So, there you go, guys. Nabusog ako. Nabusog ako sa kaka-food taste natin. Anyway, yan yung mga kakanin natin to kickstart your 2025 with prosperity, abundance, and happiness. So, ikaw, ano yung pinaka-nagustuhan mong pairings? So, you can comment below. Alright guys, so remember 2025 is all about enjoying little things, savoring moments, and keep things light. Alright, so thank you so much guys and cheers to the fruitful and prosperous year.
Again, this is Sasuka, not an expert, but just want to share.